Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Vietnam Cooking. Today we have interesting fruit. American call this one Rambutan, but my country call chôm, and my kid called it the furry hair fruit. So I don't know. Here it's hard to tell the good one. But in my country, every rambutan on red and look like shining and furry. Look easy tell first, but here people cut too early and sip, so a little bit look small, green, but luckily still see rambutan here. Because this fruit really yummy, and inside have a seed. If you haven't tried it yet, so just be careful. After watch this video, you know how to eat, and I tell you this tastes really good. So I will try one and cut for you see inside. Like this. And then usually you just eat, but here I cut for you see, because inside have a seed, and I cut like this for my kids, so make sure they not choke. You just eat the white one, but the seeds white too, but look like this. You just cut it out. And this one you can buy it and cut like me, but cut the skin up and put in the plate like for party and for people just try the new food, but you have to tell them have the seed inside. Look, after you cut. This one's really sweet, so cut one more for you see. That's a rambutan. So now people tell you rambutan, you know what is it. Hopefully you get some and try. This is really yummy. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.